How to find Instagram group chat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your group chat on your Instagram account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you have updated your Instagram app. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Instagram. If you see update sign here, update your app. If not, tap on open. And make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. From here, tap onto your home screen on your bottom left. Then go onto the chat icon on your top right. Here, all your messages will be shown. In case you don't find any group that you are searching for, then at the top search bar, type in the name of the group. Once you search their name, it will automatically appear on the top of your screen. Just tap onto it and you can continue chatting from here. This is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.